set at my favorite end of this great street. Let's go inside and take a look around. Upstairs, this airy, fully air-conditioned living space has been complemented with brand new carpets, fresh paint, and I love the touch with the plantation shutters. I love the theatre of the sunken kitchen that flows really well onto this outdoor deck that is very large, overlooking the gardens and the beautiful views. We've got this wonderful space downstairs with its very own ensuite and courtyard to entertain. This truly is an incredible home. If our team can help you own it, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.